Welcome back to my quiet shop. Hand planes are the heart of how I work. Today, I'm going to share a few tips that help me go from fighting the plane to letting it do the work. Whether it's an old pre-war Stanley hand plane, or a post-war record hand plane, or a modern Veritas hand plane, or even a Japanese plane. This is a modern example built in the traditional way. Tip 1. Don't press down. The plane's sole is what keeps things flat. Pressing down can just make dips. At best, it's going to make pushing the plane a lot harder. And the plane is heavy enough to take its own cut. You just have to let it. Let your lower body do the driving. Hips and legs, not your shoulders, give you a more consistent stroke and a lot less effort. You can use a walking step to move your entire body forward. Or you can use a rocking step if the area to be planed is small enough. You rock back on your heel and then rock forward onto your forward foot. This gives you quite a bit of reach. Whatever you do, don't keep your feet planted and lean your upper body back and then forward. This is a recipe for back pain. Hold the plane like you'd hold a little bird, firm enough that it won't fly away, but gentle enough to not crush it. You want to have a very light grip on the plane. You don't need to strangle it. You just need enough grip to be able to lift and maneuver the plane. Step forward with the stroke. Don't reach. Let your whole body be part of the motion. That's when you know you've got it right. You'll hear the whisper of the shaving peeling off, the gentle sigh of the plane riding across the wood. That is what tells you you've got it right. Hand planes take a bit of patience, but they give it back too. And in a loud world, it's good to work quietly. Thank you for coming by. Hope to see you next time.